Your eyes deserve their own love story with Maliao Cosmetics Moonlight Romance Eyeshadow Palette. Let the eyes do the flirting. The colors are just so pretty.
So I've already done a base makeup. I start with a little bit of a concealer.
So I'm going to start with Sensation. Glides on so effortlessly.
I'm now going to take the dark brown.
They have a highly pigmented formula, gives a vibrant color in just one swipe. So blendable and buildable, easy to create a bold night glam or a soft daytime look.
Because I think it's too much right now, so I'm going to use this one.
Making Suave now to create a soft base.
Just to have this color.
And finally, the glitter shades. I'm trying Magnetic. So smooth and buttery, glides on so effortlessly with minimal fallout. These are also so pigmented. After applying the glitter shades, I blend it a little towards the corner. Then I tried another glitter shade for my inner crease. The shade is Chemistry. It's such a long-lasting wear, stays put without creasing or fading.
Whisper truth as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand.
And for the last step, I put my eyeliner and kajal. Maliao, you have really surprised me because it's not just pretty, it is also travel friendly. And this is our final look. Because of the variety of matte and glitter shades, this palette is perfect for every occasion. From a casual coffee date to a wedding or a party. Look at the colors pop and the eye makeup is done.